Hey everybody, here's a quick video on how to post to the introduction discussion board. To get you started, I use the introduction discussion board in pretty much every class that I teach. So here we are in Education 202, but it's kind of the same for all of my sections. You have two ways to go into it. You can go into assignments and find the first folder. It's usually called Start Here, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, in this case it's Welcome. And I've asked you to do post introduction on the discussion board. So below here I'll give you a link where you can go to the discussion board. And in this case I'm looking for a name, type of teaching, an environment, 2 reasons why you want to do the observation. Sometimes I have different questions for different classes. So you can go through this link right here to the discussion boards, or you can also just click here on discussion board. They're both going to take you to the discussion board, and the first one should always be the introductions. And so here I can see there's 33 students have already 12 students have already gotten in there and gotten started, which is great to see. If you click on introductions, it's going to take you to the forum, and here everybody has already posted their introductions. And so I'm going to pick on Sheena. So we can look here and we'll see these people have responded to Sheena, and then here's her introduction here. So let's say you read that and you want to respond. You would hit reply, and it gives you her message up here, and then you put your you put your response here. And so in introduction discussion boards, I request for full credit you have to respond to at least, I believe, 2 other people. Let's go back here. I'll go up to this crumb trail and we'll go back into the introductions, the very beginning. Now in addition to responding to at least 2 people, you have to create your own introduction. So you would create a thread here. You would say, you know, welcome from Carol Billing, something like that. Post the answer to whatever the discussion question is, and then you'd hit submit down here. I'm going to cancel that because I'm not going to put one in, but when you do that you would find your name in the list either at the bottom or the top. I don't recall where it goes first. Let's see, I'm going to say top, and so that would be your initial post. So generally the requirements are your initial post and responding to 2 other students in order to get full credit. I'm going to click back here on discussion board because this is the only place that you can actually get the introduction, the assignment details. I don't know why it's not on the next click in, but it's not. So there you go. And here I require responding to 2 other people plus your introduction. That's generally how I do it. All right, I hope this is helpful. Thanks very much.